Yo, this is Sal J Banks. And so something has been brought to my attention by one of my niggas, Wash. Like there's these girls that have this habit of sending you a friend request. So you guys, you have no intentions ya kuwesha message yanti. But you busy sending you to my boy na kupa pattern de kafi. Ngana washwati taure kabweshe po message ngana kutumina hi no hello. Don't. Unapotaka ture kumbira wafi pattern wakabwana. Man, which is a bad habit.
Hiyo leo kuisa takule uposha
Yo unachukupera na my instructions and not school and na papa. So you guys, if you feel like you want to send me a friend request, better for question a text. Otherwise, ndeshita accept na kutumina hi. After 20 minutes, no reply. Kabwala bye.